Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is top 10 legal investor management complexity workways. What are the grand first? When individuals and investors invest money, they after will do so with the help of an invest management company. Watch take control to this investor and hopefully help make money. Everyone invest in asset management company in individual in investor and manage profits of manual funds and other securities. Some secret management companies are granted toward verified wealthy individual who held our full control of the investor top profit manager. We take to look at some of the largest of these films, but first hear what you need know about how that work. How big asset management firms work. Many asset management will only deal with large investors such as other crypto being known profile of assessment, but many of the most regular firms will after service for average investor. In many cases, asset management firms make money by charging fees because a number the management target some will be charged flat fees. These compete after having other business line other than asset management, equity broking service. In some cases, asset management make up factor of the company's revenue. The management rates the after partner with accurate inversion way deposit bring completion. For example, one asset assignment firms many use its online broker platform to allow investors to buy and sell the manual fund of company. 10 large investor management companies. Here look at the top assignment management companies because on the number of fund assignment under management are under the control because on the most recently balance sheet. You many because in some of the complaints is amount the large financial investor in the world. Note some companies many have much higher reporting assignment under control which word in many still management by citizen. Number one, bankroll AUM $6.84 trillion. BlackRock and not just the world large manage but one the world large financial investor. The company was founded in 1988 and went public in the 1999. The firm has been in plentiful and advanced the growth of its target fund. Target is the share product. I share now company more than quality of back race under management. Second number the Walsh Group amount 60.2 trillion. Bachelor has become with strategy of peaceful investor and watch money is place in manual fund dealing to make the activity special in the of broker stroke management technique brokers of low expense rate for most of its fund in a management vehicle offers brokering service, financial planning, and other service. 3 USB Group amount 3.26 trillion USB Group is for investment driven that opening around the world because firms distribution is the only target grow management about 2.3 trillion is trade up weight management 93 billion in investment for strategy stock globe advertise 3.1 trillion boosted state in the subsidiary of state component in management instrument for wide range of citizen non-profit local government event education 5 failed AMU 3.2 trillion federal in its management discount broker with more than 27 million customers. Its offer an online platform for individual investors to buy and sell secret and also management in fraud on behalf to citizens in the summer of 2018 its made had when offer manual funds with a zero experience return and maximum investment requirements 6 alien amount 2.36 trillion this grammar firms and from an investor but offer to assignment management discretion gold investment by its his 1.6 trillion under management watch is good accumulate and also lands on this list 7 GP mortgages most people think of GP mortgage cases in investor bank but it is robots assignment management business and got 1.3 billion in cash from back money. It's brought a new custom at Black of New Maryland AMU 1.9 trillion. The history of this company dated back to its founder principal your head of him more than 20-30 years later by million management investor for individual and investor in 35 concentrate 9 capital group AMU 1.8 trillion that's lost around because Trump was founded all the way back in 1931 marketing it's one the oldest in the world it offer more than 40 multiple fund target American fund describes which is its subscriber 10 Premeco AMU 1.76 trillion is manual around investment management under a same company is alien target was Econ Grammar Company its hands its contracted to operated in subscription of Alice The best investor bank of 2022. What is assignment management? What will you be changing of the advertise the assessment? Why to buy the best to fund and five word around American funds revenue need now best investor best report advertiser the organic strategy and company of venture fund investor of recommend report advertiser best online store best concentrated account best video the balance friends like my video subscribe channel for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching coming up to new best online videos. Thanks for watching.